Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a cinematic sunset portrait. Import your portrait and add a sunset background. Mask your subject cleanly using select subject. Now apply color lookup and select late sunset. Paint warm orange highlights on the face. Add soft sun flares using a wide circular brush. Use Gaussian blur to smooth the light glow and adjust shadows for realistic contrast. Apply curves to increase warmth in mid-tones. Add birds flying in the background. Paint golden reflections on nearby areas. Now slightly darken the bottom edges. Merge visible layers and sharp